Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sign up in Sproutgigs. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, let's open a web browser of your choice. I'm using a web browser that is called Brave, so because it is one of the most reliable web browsers there is for me personally. So for right now, what you have to do is type sproutgigs.com/sign up. Now search for it, wait for a while, and a sign up page will come right before you. As you can see, here is your real name. Type your real name here and then type your email address, add your password, add at least 10 characters, upper and lowercase letters, numbers, at least one special characters, confirm your password, nickname, select country. Okay, let's just select my country and then agree to the terms and conditions, and then simply choose either you are a worker or an employer. So I'm actually a worker, so I'm just tapping on the worker tick mark. Now simply what you have to do is tap on sign up and you'll be signed up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.